The economic survey is the big news of the day as we run up to the budget. And if we have Shrimi with us joining in to take us through the key highlights that have been stated in the economic survey. Shrimi, over to you.
Yeah, so a couple of points very important. As we have seen, the real growth GDP, which is adjusted inflation, has been kept at 6.8 to 7.2%. Now, this has been increased from the last survey. If you see the FY26 projection, it was between the range of 6.3 to 6.8%, and now it has been improved. The upper range, especially, it's suggesting it's pegging at 7.2%. So that's an important, key takeaway from the survey. And in fact, the survey is talking about the US tariff, because a lot of chatter around and everybody is eyeing on when the tariff with India, between India and US gets concluded. And in fact, the survey is hoping that it will be concluded this year. And this is important factor because survey do, talk about that as far as economic growth outlook is concerned, it's looking steady. But we need to also watch out for the global external headwinds, and tariff being one of the risk and the down risk factor for the economic growth, and that is very clearly stated in the economic survey. Why saying so? Because of course you will see some of the measures coming up and expected to come up in the budget to sort of soften the blow of the US tariff. But the sources in the government has been indicating that both sides are talking, and in fact the talks are progressing well. So some sort of positivity is there as far as India-US deal is concerned. Now, one important point I wanted to highlight here is that the new base year is going to kick in from mid-February. That is important because that is going to change all your macro indicators number, right from your GDP number, even for your Q1 and Q2 number, as well as the growth outlook, which economic survey is pegging, and the budget also give its own projection, And usually the economic survey is more on the conservative line because it factors in a lot of issues around and the global factors around. But as far as budget is concerned, is going to peg growth on a much higher level than economic survey.